I was sent the Aesthetica makeup sponge and a contouring kit. So let's try them out. One thing it said was to get the sponge wet first, so I've already done that. This is what the contour kit looks like. And then it does come with a little picture in here that I'm just gonna follow along with this picture. So here we go. I'm gonna start with the lighter color first and kind of work my way out. I really have not contoured before, so bear with me. But here we go. It looks like you kind of do the center of your forehead first. I do have a base BB cream on already. And then I'm just using this to really blend out. We're gonna go down the center of my nose. Ooh, there we go. See how it gets that light there? What you wanna do with contouring, from my understanding, is just kind of draw attention to certain areas, bringing light to it, and then using some of the darker colors to really define your facial features. Okay, then we have this lighter spot here. Around the nose area, under it. I'm doing this very light. I'm sure other people do it more dramatically, but for me, we're just gonna do a nice light contouring. And then down here as well. Okay. And we didn't do the eye area. Gotta do that. So far, so good. Everything stayed pretty blendable on that sponge. And now let's do the darker colors. Okay. So it almost looks like you're like dotting. And then I'm assuming we're just gonna blend it up into the hairline. Okay, and then it shows the cheekbone area. This is the contouring I'm most familiar with. It's doing this area. I usually go and then do it with powder. So this is my first time doing it with cream. But it really does give you good definition on your cheeks. Okay, and then the last thing it says is to kind of do this darker color down your neckline, which can help with really making your jawline defined. I just did a very, very light amount there. Very light. And then you can even do your collarbone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get real close with you guys and just make sure everything's super blended. So I don't have any sort of streaking. And there we have it. A really fast, easy contouring of my face. I like it. I definitely could see doing this more dramatically and really getting in and making some of your features pop. This sponge was phenomenal. So super easy to use, to hold. And then the directions on the contouring do give you a whole lot more details of things you can do as you're contouring. So overall, I approve of it. I think it's really good.